After posting images on Twitter earlier this week, Ice Universe shared the following clip showing a phone that looks very much like what we expect from the Galaxy S10 Plus regarding overall design. The screen occupies almost the entire front of the phone and features curved edges like previous Galaxy S phones. In the top right corner, we have a dual-lens camera that pierces through the screen. The phone, however, isn't a Galaxy S10 Plus. Instead, we're looking at the Oppo Find X with no camera holes in the screen. Those holes are fake, as they're drawn on a wallpaper to make a point. It's a clever trick to showcase the rumored Galaxy S10 Plus design in lack of the actual Samsung phone. The Find X, if you forgot, features a camera slide-out mechanism for the selfie cam, which is why Oppo was able to kill the notch and extend the screen from edge to edge. Sliding phones, however, will not stick around for too long, and we have plenty of reasons to hate them. They lose water resistance, the sliding mechanism can always break, and they don't make it easy for case makers to design protective gear. Come next year, the Galaxy S10 and its Infinity O design will get us closer to the notchless, no compromise, all-screen design we all want. The Galaxy S10 series should be unveiled on February 20th, according to a recent leak, and hit stores a few weeks later.